Mr. Baunemann, we just heard that the industry is not doing so well, the German industry or the whole plastics industry. What would you say about that problematic?
The German industry is still on a way to success. For the time being, we have a short decrease in the business activities. It's related maybe to the uncertainty we have on the global markets. But for the future, I see definitely a bright future for the plastic industry and for plastics as material as well, as we are a solution provider for many, many challenges that are lying ahead of the society.
How will the K be able to help that the industry will just recover a little bit from that, not a really big problem that you just said?
The K is the opportunity, of course, to see the whole plastics industry. So we have the global partners from all over in the world, and we can exchange what are the developments, what are best practices, what are experiences related image regarding recycling, environmental issues, but even more on innovation.
Globally, how do you think Germany is on top of the world considering innovations on the plastic sector?
Germany is one of the drivers of innovation, especially in the plastic sectors. I mentioned in the conference that 75% of all innovations, based on a study of our research ministry in Germany, is coming from new materials. And in that direction, plastics contributes a lot in that direction.
New materials is one of the hot topics. There are many other hot topics, for example, Industry 4.0 and sustainability or human resources. What in your sector or in your what you stand for, what do you think is the most important to work on?
These issues you mentioned are all important. So we have to have it on our agenda for the whole K-Fair, and we will address it with a special exhibition in Hall 6 as PlasticsEurope together with the Messe Düsseldorf. And we will cover these points: functionality, innovation, sustainable development, marine litter. All these topics that are so important for this industry for the time being will be covered, and we invite stakeholders and we motivate people to give us a visit and to discuss with us.
Plastics may have a bad reputation sometimes. Both of us know that that can be changed or is on the best way of being changed. How do you think it is? What is the best way to transport this to people who say plastic is not a good thing to use?
We have to explain that plastic really has a meaning, that plastics has a benefit for the society and for the individual consumers as well. We see it even in packaging that has quite a negative image. Packaging is sometimes related only to waste, but packaging means hygiene, it means protection, it means reduction of food losses, it means information for the consumers. So all these benefits needs to be transported, and I think then I'm quite confident that even more the packaging will also have a bright future.